ocean.
We are going to
The ocean.
the ocean.
We are going to the ocean. We are under water. We are underwater.
I am wearing a life.
Jacket.
I am wearing a life jacket.
Ben has water wings on both arms. Ben has water wings on both arms.
Mom has a waterproof
Bag.
Mom has a waterproof bag.
Look at that big bubble. Look at that big bubble. A mermaid. Her name is Marina. A mermaid. Her name is Marina. Marina.
Calls Frank
A big.
fish. Marina calls Frank a big fish.
They swim through the coral reef. They swim through the coral reef. Marina has many fish friends. Marina has many fish friends.
Oh, no! My shoe is gone! Oh no, my shoe is gone! Please help me find it! Marina thinks a jellyfish is an umbrella. Marina thinks a jellyfish is an umbrella.
Dad is seasick.
Underwater. Dad is seasick underwater. Marina teaches Mia how to swim. Marina teaches Mia how to swim. Marina swims fast. Ben swims slow. Marina swims fast. Ben swims slow.
Marina loves the snack. Marina loves the snack. Marina says,
Hello, friend.
Marina says, hello, friend.
Hello, friend.
Marina lives in a beautiful palace. Marina lives in a beautiful palace. The palace has a pearl crown.
The crown is too small for Ben. The crown is too small for Ben. Wow, Marina, thank you. This dress is so pretty and sparkly.
Dad is stuck in the armor. Dad is stuck in the armor.
The jellyfish glow
Like stars.
The jellyfish glow like stars.
Ben touches the jellyfish.
Ouch! The ground is shaking! The ground is shaking!
Marina looks very worried. Marina looks very worried.
A giant octopus is coming. A giant octopus is coming.
The octopus wants the pearl crown. The octopus wants the pearl crown.
Marina needs our help. Marina needs our help.
We will help Marina. We are family.
The octopus is big,
And
mean. The octopus is big and mean. The octopus name is Inky. The octopus name is Inky.
Inky wants the crown to rule the ocean. We need a plan. We need a plan. Dad draws the battle plan.
No!
Dad draws the battle plan.
Everyone has a job to do. Everyone has a job to do.
Marina teaches everyone to swim faster.
Dad swims into the wall. Dad swims into the wall.
Mom swims very gracefully. Mom swims very gracefully.
Ben uses his water wings like jets. Ben uses his water wings like jets. Mia throws the seashells. Mia throws the seashells. Marina calls the fish army to help us. Look, they're all here. Wow.
The team practices together. The team practices together.
We are ready. We are ready. The water gets dark and deep. The water gets dark and deep.
Ben is scared of the dark. Ben is scared of the dark.
Marina glows in
The dark.
Marina glows in the dark.
A big shark swims toward them.
But the shark is friendly. But the shark is friendly.
The shark hugs Ben. Ben faints. The shark hugs Ben. Ben faints.
The shark wants to help us.
They can see Inky's cave. They can see Inky's cave.
A 10 tackle reaches out. A tentacle reaches out.
Dad dodges the 10. Tickle. Dad dodges the tentacle.
Mom swims between the 10 tackles. Mom swims between the tentacles. The tentacle grabs Ben's foot. Mia throws a shell and saves Ben.
The shark bites the tentacle. The shark bites the tentacle.
Inky pulls
The 10.
tackles back. Inky pulls the tentacles back.
Now we must go inside the cave. Now we must go inside the cave.
They swim into the dark cave. They swim into the dark cave. The cave is cold and scary. The cave is cold and scary.
Hold hands. Do not get lost. Hold hands. Do not get lost.
Help! I'm sliding! Oh no, I can't stop! Help! I'm slipping on the seaweed! Ben slips on the seaweed. The shark helps Ben stand up. The shark helps Ben stand up. There is red light ahead. There is red light ahead. Inky is so big. Inky is so big.
Inky shoots black ink. Inky shoots black ink.
Ben is covered in ink. Ben is covered in ink.
The fish army attacks Inky. The fish army attacks Inky. Inky is ticklish. He laughs. Mia grabs.
The pearl crown.
Mia grabs the pearl crown.
Inky is very angry. Inky is very angry.
Wait. Inky. Inky's crying. Wait. Inky is crying.
Mia swims toward Inky alone. Mia swims toward Inky alone. Inky, are you okay?
Yeah.
Inky, are you okay?
Inky is very lonely. Inky is very lonely.
Marina says you are not alone. Inky gives everyone a big hug. Mia gives the crown back to Marina. Mia gives the crown back to Marina. Inky,
Cleans the cave.
very fast.
Inky cleans the cave very fast.
Inky wants to be friends with the shark. Inky wants to be friends with the shark. They swim up to the sunlight. They swim up to the sunlight. Marina sees the sun. It is beautiful. Marina sees the sun. It is beautiful. Marina gives Mia a magic pearl. Marina gives Mia a magic pearl.
They say goodbye and thank you.
Marina dives back into the ocean. Marina dives back into the ocean. The magic book takes them home. The magic book takes them home.
They fall back into the living room.
The book closes. The adventure ends.
Was
That adventure real?
Was that adventure real?
Look! The magic pearl is still here. Ben's clothes are still wet. Ben's clothes are still wet. We
Saved Marina's.
pearl crown.
We saved Marina's pearl crown.
Inky.
Was not bad. He was just lonely.
Oh.
Inky was not bad. He was just lonely.
Mia was very brave.
Swim to Inky.
Mia was very brave to swim to Inky.
Ben was brave too.
Ooh.
Even though he was scared. Ben was brave too, even though he was scared. Mia writes in her diary. Mia writes in her diary. Today, I learned be kind to everyone. Today, I learned be kind to everyone. Even scary people need friends. Even scary people need friends. Let us review the English words. Let us review the English words. Ocean means a big body of water. Ocean means a big body of water. Swim means move in water. Swim means to move in water. Brave means not afraid to try. Brave means not afraid to try. Friend means someone you care about. Friend means someone you care about. Help means to make things better. Help means to make things better.
Lonely means you feel alone. Lonely means you feel alone.
Beautiful means very pretty. Beautiful means very pretty. Family means people who love you. You did a great job today. You did a great job today. Now listen and repeat with me. Now listen and repeat with me. The fish swims very fast. The fish swims very fast. I see a beautiful palace. I see a beautiful palace. We are friends. We are friends. The octopus is very big. The octopus is very big. I swim under water. Whoa! I swim underwater.
Family helps each.
Other.
Family helps each other.
Marina is very kind. Marina is very kind. I am very brave. I am very brave. See you in the next adventure. See you in the next adventure. Let us play a quiz game. Let us play a quiz game. What is the mermaid's name? What is the mermaid's name? The answer is A, Marina. The answer is A, Marina. What did the octopus take? What did the octopus take? That is
Right.
the pearl crown. That is right. The pearl crown. Why was Inky sad? Why was Inky sad? Yes, Inky was lonely. Yes, Inky was lonely. Congratulations! Congratulations! You are an excellent student. You are an excellent student. Our learning journey ends today. Our learning journey ends today. The next morning, the sun shines. The next morning, the sun shines. The family eats breakfast together. The family eats breakfast together.
We had a strange dream last night. We had a strange dream last night.
Charlie brings a seashell. Charlie brings a seashell. That is Marina's seashell. That is Marina's seashell. The magic pearl still glows. The magic pearl still glows.
They smile.
And look at the book. They smile and look at the book.
The adventure was completely real. The adventure was completely real. The magic book always waits for you.
Good night. See you next time. Good night. See you next time. Mia wakes up early today. Mia wakes up early today. Mia takes the book from the shelf. Mia takes the book from the shelf.
The family sits
Around.
the book. The family sits around the book.
Mia turns to the next page. Mia turns to the next page. The book glows bright gold. The page shows a very tall tower. The page shows a very tall tower.
Long hair flows from the tower window. Long hair flows from the tower window.
Who lives in that tower? Who lives in that tower?
The book is pulling them inside. The tower is waiting. A new adventure begins.